The time period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is measured as 2.5 second using the stopwatch with the least count 1/2 second. Then the permissible error in the measurement is, so 10%, 20%, 30%, 25%. So here they are giving the time period T equal to how much given? 2.5 seconds. So then least count. So least count how much? Till T is equal to 0.5 second. Okay, 0.5 second. Permissible error. What is the permissible error? So permissible error means till T by T into 100% is equal to 0.5 by 2.5 into 100%. That means 5 by 25 into 100% is equal to 20%. Okay. So option 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.